Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Tech Tips. For this week's tech tip, we're actually going to be covering a new command which will be available in the next few weeks that enables you to lock and unlock your panel to prevent any kind of modifications. To run the command, I'm just going to select the wall or the panel itself, go to the settings drop-down and lock the panel. I can enter in a comment, and once I say OK, the panel is in fact locked. It will turn a bright red color, and when I select the wall, I will in fact be able to see that it is locked. So when a panel is locked, if I do actually try and regenerate it, it will throw an error, preventing any kind of modifications. I am of course able to unlock the panel, which will turn the panel back to being fully regenerable. And I could always see the lock status, which will just give me a history of the panel, when it was locked, when it was unlocked, the date, the user, and as well as any commentary associated with the locking.